Assalamu alaikum. Now we move to another topic. So the topic is break and continue statements. Okay. So it is very important in Rails project. Okay. So for now, I am just writing main function here, and then I'm just write for example. Okay. I just initialize it in one equal. Okay. So if I less than or equal to 10, then I plus plus. Okay. So if here I'm just write a condition. Okay. So if I equal to 5, then break. Okay. So here you can see I just initialize variable start from 1. Okay. If this variable, if this value is less than or equal to 10, okay, then increment these values. Okay. So what will be do this? Okay. So you can see it goes to the loop will running 10 times. Okay, but the fault is here. Okay, I'm just right here. If this value I is equal to 5, then you break this loop. Okay, so if I write here break, so the loops, okay, the loops will stop, and then it does not check this condition. Okay, so I'm just show you here. Mm, I just want to front here. Okay, I so here you can see it prints only 5. If I write here, if I comment this, so you can see here, so it is very useful thing. Okay, so if I comment this in here, I write front I. Okay, so it's worked, but the loops will be stopped. Okay, and now you can see if I write here continue. Okay, so if I write continue, so here you can see now, here you can see here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, so he does not skip 5. Why? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, so I think okay, I'm just right here. Okay, now okay, now you can see 1 2 3 4 5. 5 is don't 5 is not printed. Okay, why? So here I'm just right here. So if the value of I is equal to 5, then you skip this value, you can continue. Okay, and I front here. Okay, so remember that firstly you writing your condition, okay, in the top. Okay, then you print here down in the in your condition. Okay, so you also see this. Okay, this one. So here what why we use this continue. Okay, so continue is used mostly used in real projects, and also remember that continue is only used in loops. Okay, so you can use this for loops. Okay, you can also use this continue in while do while loops. Okay, it only use in loops. Okay, and break statements you can use. I'm just writing here the comment break statement mostly used in mostly used in loops and also switch statement. Okay, and continuous statement is mostly used or only, if I say only, used in loops. Okay, remember these two things. Okay, so I hope you will understand this concept, and for now it's enough, and keep practicing. I will see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.